We start our video today with a shot of the suspension control panel and our three red lights indicating that our chassis is not at the road level height, not ready for road travel, and a shot of the suspension gauge panel indicating passenger side and driver side. As we move across the front dash, we're going to see that we've set our throttle at 1300 RPMs, not to exceed 1500 by the infinitely variable black knob on the left. As we actuate the all raised switch, we see our pressure reach a maximum of 250 bar. We release the all raised switch and push the all lower button. The pressure goes down as our chassis is going down. Lowering the chassis, we're going to achieve all three red lights not illuminated. When all three lights are out, we will be at the road level and travel height for our suspension. In the process of lowering the suspension, we're going to see the right rear out, the left rear out, and now the front coming down a bit slower than the back. As we lower and wait for our front red light to go out, we're going to see the rear lights come on as the chassis adjusts itself, holding the all lower button. Remember, all three lights out indicate travel ready height of our suspension. We see the suspension adjusting itself. The rear end. And now we are at the travel ready height. All lights are out. We release the all lower button. As we move away from our switching panel, we're going to see that our gauges are all at relatively the same pressure. As we have a look at the passenger side rear, the driver's side rear, moving to the driver's side front, and passenger side front, noting how the pressure is relatively equal. Remembering, pressure is a factor of load. And a shot of our suspension control panel. Moving on to the outside of the crane, we note how the chassis is relatively level. Remember, we're operating on this crane at this time with the boom removed. And we move to the passenger side, noting again how the chassis is relatively level. At this point, the tires are in alignment, and we will get our best fuel economy and tire wear. On solid axle machines, this is the most important part of the suspension system, and we must always have our leveling system working properly. As we move away from our crane today, I'm going to show you a shot of our beautiful operating environment. It's spring here, snow in the mountains, green in the valley, wonderful temperature. As we move across, we'd like to leave you with our final reminder, as always. Thank you for viewing our video today.